Welcome to BotBee. Today in this video we will show you how to edit message template in WhatsApp Manager and sync it with BotBee. Keeping your WhatsApp templates up to date is crucial for maintaining effective communication with your audience. With BotBee, you can easily sync and update templates created in the WhatsApp Template Manager. Let's get started. First, go to BotBee dashboard. In left side menu, select Bot Manager, and then select your bot account. Then select Message Template. Select Create. Demo purpose, I am creating simple one. Click Save button. Yes, message template approved. Now click on the Unlink option. This will remove the template from BotBee, without affecting it in the WhatsApp Template Manager. Now go to Connect Account, and then click Manage in your WhatsApp number account. This will redirect you to the WhatsApp Manager. In left side menu, select Manage Template under Message Template. Select the message template you want to edit. Click Edit Template. Now you can edit your template as per your need. If you want, you can add button, URL, and header also. Now click Submit for review. Yes, edited message template approved by Meta. Now go to BotBee dashboard. Now click on the Sync Template button in BotBee. This action will fetch the latest templates from WhatsApp Template Manager that are not currently linked in BotBee. Now select Map Variable. Map the variable that we already used in template. In this template, I am used name, so select Name Variable. And then click Save button. That's it. Edited message template synced successfully with BotBee. Now go to live chat and test the edited message template. Yes, it's working perfectly. Thank you for watching the video.